We're here today at Sherry Chrysler, Piqua, Ohio. Stock number 28275T. I've got a 2018 Ram 2500 in bright red. This is a Tradesman model. We've put the chrome package on it to give you the chrome grille, chrome bumper. Also, we've got the chrome wheels. This has got the 5.7 Hemi engine in it, and it is a heavy-duty Ram 2500. On this one, we've put the trailer tow mirrors, so I can pull those out. Those are heated. They do flip out and flip back in. It is a crew cab, long bed, and this is a two-wheel drive truck. I do have the rear backup camera on it, as well as the trailer tow package and the 7 and 4 pin wiring. Inside we put a bed liner. Comes right from the factory. These hold up very well, very comparable to the aftermarket bed liners that you see. We're starting to put them in a lot of our work trucks. Again, 2500 long bed crew cab. Taking a look at the inside, I've got the heavy duty work grade vinyl. We do have carpet on the floor, but we have the vinyl seats, automatic headlamps, of course power windows and locks, tilt steering and cruise control. Just has your standard radio. We do have a trailer brake control in this. Back seats also vinyl. Of course, it flips up, gives you some storage area underneath. You also have the storage area on the floor, both sides. Little compartment that comes out, then just slips back in. As far as room goes, if you've got a crew that's out on a work job, you've got plenty of room to put your crew right in here and be comfortable. Stepping up inside, your center console here does fold up to give you a could set 3 people in the front. Is equipped with cruise control, trailer brake control, electronic stability. This one we do have the limited slip differential. Being a two-wheel drive vehicle, that's always a good thing to have on these. Once again, this is a Ram 2500, flame red, 5.7 Hemi in it. And this is a Tradesman work truck that we dressed up a little bit with the chrome grille, chrome bumpers, and chrome wheels. Again, stock number 28275T, located here at Sherry Chrysler in Piqua, Ohio. For more information on this vehicle and additional commercial vehicles that we have, give Steve a call, 800-678-4188.